Welcome back to the channel. My name's Cal, and in today's video we're going to be scrapping a water pump. Now that squeaky noise in the background is my dog chewing on its toy, so I apologise about that. So I picked up this water pump from the local tip for $5, and it actually came out of an old spa. It was used for the water jets. Now I'm still unsure on if they're copper or alloy windings, but we'll soon find out. Anyway guys, without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, I just want to say, guys, I do apologise for the camera angle. I do have a tripod on the way, so I can get a bit more fancier with the angles. But yeah, just for now, this will probably be the last video without a tripod. Right, I shouldn't need to take this off because the outside screws holding the casing together are very accessible just on the side here, so I might just take them off there, saves taking off this rusty screw here. Now the moment of truth. It is copper. I have made a bit of a mess. So there's one more bit of copper stuck in there. I can't exactly get it out. I've already spent a lot longer than what I was hoping on this. I've probably spent a good hour knocking all these out. For some reason I had a really good run, knocked about half of them out, and then it just got really hard. And so I'm just gonna leave that lucky last one in there. Anyway guys, we'll get into the weighing now. Alrighty guys, now time for the weighing. So I've already tared the metal bucket down here, and we'll start off with our copper. So I've set it down to $8.25 for domestic copper. Now we'll just get this bucket, throw it on the scale, and we got a total of $20.21. Now moving on to the PVC cable. Now there's not too much there, but we got 36 cents. Now for our dirty steel, and we got 49 cents. Now just with the armature guys, I'm not going to worry about trying to bang out the bearings and stuff like that, so I'm just going to weigh it as is, and it'll just go down as dirty steel. And we got 34 cents. Now last but not least, we got the alley extrusion. Alrighty guys, so I don't know why the alley scaling, it stopped recording halfway through, so I actually got a total of about $2.80 for that. So we'll add that on the total, which I think I'll have to look back when I edit it, but I'll add the total somewhere up here. So that's the total amount that we got for the pump. Now, I'm a few weeks behind on the uploading, so basically we had a bit of an internet drama, so I had to order a new modem that came from the other side of the country. We've only just got it now, so now I can finally upload videos. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. I am dedicated, but it just doesn't look like it at the moment because we had that drama and there was nothing else I could do. I tried hotspotting using my phone, but I ended up chewing pretty much all my data that I had for the month, and I still didn't even get a video out. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. Anyway guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button, leave a subscribe, and without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video.